There was one more thing I forgot to show. I got this little container at Hobby Lobby, and it's just a wooden tray, and it keeps all my little dots and shapes, and some of them's from close to my heart, some of it's not, but it's kind of color coded, so white and black stars. I've got hearts, enamel dots, these little clips and binders, pearls, pinks, oranges, and purples, and gold, and silver, and blue, and green, and these little rosin flower type thing, and some more close to my heart things that are retired. These are enamel and glitter duos. So this little thing came from Hobby Lobby, and it's the only thing that I have on my table on my center island. So again, thank you for watching. Have a